Well, here's his Jeep numbers. It's been a strange season for deGrom. A 2-run home run he gave up to Ryan Zimmerman in his first start, then 18 to third, scoreless innings.
Down to Duda. The quick toss to second. Flores the return. deGrom covers in time. Double play. 3-6-1.
deGrom might be the only pitcher on the Mets staff that is fast enough to get over there and make that play.
Again, the 3-2. And he gets him with a breaking ball. Struck him out. High fastball for deGrom, and he's struck out 3 of his first 4 batters.
Never know.
And deGrom powers his way by David Lowe for the second out. 8th pitch of the at-bat to Cabrera, and a little dribbler. Off the mound is the athletic deGrom, and reaching into the runner Duda, but he gets the out. 1-2 coming to Paredes. Struck him out. High heat from deGrom, his 5th strikeout of the night.
And I've done it in the videos. I love Wilmer.
As many as he had in his last 2 starts combined. And really back to normal for Jake. And he gets the foul tip for strike 3. Strikeout number 7 for deGrom.
And he's doing it, most of it, especially right-handed hitters, on the bottom of the strike zone.
Piazza, Paredes, and Jones will all be running. 3-2 to Davis. Struck him out. Jacob deGrom gets the big out.
Not a thrower.
1-2 to Joseph. Tied him up inside. Did he go? He went around. Strike 3. Strikeout number 9 for Jacob deGrom, and he gets the Orioles 1-2-3. And Paredes saws one off to short, and Flores with the overhand gun throws him out to end the inning. So deGrom makes his way through 7, 105 pitches, a season high, and he leaves having allowed only 1 run. 5-1 Mets.